Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install these string lights. It's pretty easy, doesn't take long, and it really makes your gazebo or your porch or even your house or garage look fantastic. So let's get busy. Alright, the storm is mostly past, so now we're going to look at mounting the string lights. So these do not look very amber, unfortunately. But let's see what we got. We got two sets. They have these really nice hooks. Did they include hardware? No, they did not include screws. Interesting. So it says, I'm not sure how long these sets actually are. It says 48 feet, which is about enough. I think 50 to 52 feet would have been better. Seems like they are kind of tangled. Definitely tangled. I think they want you to start with the back. I don't want to start with the back. I want to start with the plug. So this is going to take some time. Get these things untangled, while at the same time not breaking any of these bolts. Well, I don't know who wrapped these, but wow, these things are a mess. Neither end actually comes out easy. Nope. Are pretty far apart. Alright, so let's see if I actually have fasteners or screws so I can put this stuff up. I'll be right back. Alright, in one of my estate sale finds, I got this plastic bag full of screws. It looks like they're stainless, and it also looks like there are a bunch of that size in here, which is what I need. There's a couple slightly different sizes, but either way it'll work. It'd be nice if I could find all the same size, but I don't think I'll find enough. But we'll see. Certainly enough to do this job. Alright, we got enough. So I am going to start run this way. And the reason being is that this is the backyard wall. And so if I run out there, it's not going to be a big deal. You got these banana trees in the way. And so if I happen to run out of lights right there, but I'm going to start right there and run across. So to give you a better perspective, I'm going to run from this corner over to that corner, down to the back, around, and then that's the back. All right, and these are pretty easy to do. I mean, it's just a screw. That's pretty much it. You're just putting a screw in. The hardest part is dragging the strings along and not breaking any of the bulbs. That is always a challenge. So let me get set up and then we'll get going. All right, I've got the string run up so that I won't be hitting the ground with any of them. I'm going to kind of be in the way for the first one because the first one is, of course, the most important. On to number 2. Gets easier with each one. Wonder why I've got this wire hanging. It's because I'm going to wrap it around the pipe up here, but it's easier at this stage of the game to not drag all the wires around. Here's what the first string got me. Around 3 sides and to there. So now I've got the dilemma. I've got actually 24 feet to run. So first thing I'm going to do is run it across there, and then we'll see. So here's the second set, and interestingly, this is tied together. So it'll be a lot easier to figure out how to untangle them. Maybe the other set had been opened before. Hopefully it works. Okay, the second set is attached. I only needed a couple bulbs for 1, 2, 3 bulbs. So now the question comes, do I just cut it and tie it off and save all these for spare? Or do I maybe run across. I don't know. Either way, it won't look symmetrical. The first thing we should do, I've got it plugged in and the wire tied up there, is let's test them. And they work. So, yeah, I'm gonna take a little bit of a break and think about it. Think about what I want to do, and I'll be back. Okay, I took a break, so I get two options. I could run it across there and just see how far I get, running it up high. And I'll get pretty far. I'll get at least two sides done. Or I could run it up along the ceiling, which I will have still a lot left over. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run it up high and around. It'll put a little bit more light in here, I guess, but really it's just, I don't wanna cut the wire. So let me get to that. All right, I'm getting a rain band through from the hurricane yesterday. But anyway, so I just ran it up there as a second light. It didn't make it all the way across. But anyway, let's test them, make sure they work. Yep. Nice, nice. So what's left is hanging the curtains and putting the lanterns up. I got the lanterns up here, but I can't do that when it's raining, and I'm not going to do the curtains when it's raining. So that's probably it for the day. I'll talk to you soon. Okay, that's it. It's not expensive, it's not difficult, and it really makes your space look fantastic. If you like this sort of content, please like and subscribe. This is a growing channel, and that really does help. I'll leave you with one final thought. This is a historic home, so for me, I went with the warm light, and if I could have found them, I would have even gone with amber glass, because that gives you a very much antique Edison light look. If you really want to light your space brightly, though, you'll want to go with the cool white. Either way, none of these use much electricity, and none of them generate any heat. So what are you waiting for? If you want to tackle something like this, don't be intimidated. Just go out, get busy. Take care.